Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can edit TikTok draft videos. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open TikTok application, then get logged into your account. Here at the home page of your TikTok, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Inside your profile, you will be able to see the drafts. You need to tap and open the draft. There you can see there is one videos on my drafts. If you have many videos on your drafts, then it will be shown in a list. Now to edit this draft video, you need to tap and open the video first. Before posting the video, you need to tap in the back on top left corner. Here you will be able to see the edit section where you can put a text over here, you can create any of the polls, you can add any of the effects or the filters, and you can also add a stickers. As I'm going to add the stickers for this video, so you tap on the stickers and you go in for selecting any of the sticker that you want to keep in your video. Here you can put anywhere. After you are done editing your draft videos, you need to tap on next and go in for posting it in your profile. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can edit TikTok draft videos. Thank you.